Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 DIY Easter room decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and subscribe to see more DIYs. Now let's get on with the video. The first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this bunny canvas art. The first thing you want to do is that you want to draw on a silhouette of a bunny onto any sized canvas. I use an 8x10 canvas. After you're done drawing the bunny on, you want to paint around the bunny with any color of acrylic paint. I painted my canvas pink. When the paint is dry, you want to take a cotton ball and you want to glue the cotton ball where you want the tail to be, with hot glue or with another type of glue. So you can leave it like this, or you can tie a bow with any color or ribbon. And then you can glue the bow where the neck of the bunny will be. Then you can put the canvas anywhere you would like, and then you're all done with this cute bunny canvas art. The next DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this bunny jar. The first thing you want to do is that you want to paint any size jar with 1 or more coats of white paint. If you don't want to paint your bunny white, you can paint it a different color. When the jar is dry, you can mark where you want the face to go with a pencil. And then you can paint the face on with a dotting tool or a paintbrush. I use a dotting tool because I had more control of where I wanted the paint to go. And I also use a pencil as a paintbrush for the lines of the mouth. For the ears, you want to draw and cut out 2 ears out of paper. If you want similar ears, you can cut 1 ear out, and then you can trace that ear so you'll have 2 identical ears. After you're done making the ears, you can draw the inner part of the ear, and then you can paint the inner part of the ear pink or of another color. When the ears are dry, you can glue the ears on the inside of the top of the jar with hot glue, and be careful because the glue is hot. A little detail I decided to add, but it's completely optional, is that I painted on pupils onto the bunny's eyes. I think this made the bunny jar look a lot more cuter. The last thing you can do is that you can tie a bow with any color or ribbon onto the jar. And then you're all done with this cute bunny jar. The last DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this egg. And for this DIY, you're going to need mini decorative eggs, a clear fillable egg, Easter grass of any color, string, and scissors. You want to open up the clear fillable egg, and you want to put the eggs and the grass onto one side of the egg, and then you want to close the egg. You can put as much as you want into the egg, and it may take a few times to get how you want the egg to look, and since the Easter grass can expand, you want to make sure you try to put all of the grass in the egg, or the egg will open, and then you'll have to start over again. If there's any grass on the outside of the egg, you can trim the grass, and then you can stuff them back in the egg. You can also pull them out if you can't get them back inside of the egg. The last thing you want to do is that you want to tie a piece of string through the hole into a loop at the top of the egg. And then you can place the egg wherever you would like. And that's how you make all these Easter room decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!